I always have very sensitive skin to certain food that I take.
This one This one is actually the pure sea buckthorn oil. This is called rescue oil.
You want to put or what?
Yeah, I want to
I
scratch.
don't know. Solo suddenly or memang you have itchy one.
No.
Excuse me?
Wait,
Boss.
I we clear the table. Excuse me. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's can see the lebam more.
Since when you have all this?
After childbirth. Crystal got me this sea buckthorn oil because it's very itchy right now. It's not the wine. It's definitely not the wine because I drink this wine almost on daily basis.
Try or not?
Can I just put a bit? Okay. Oh, it's nice. A plant-based oil. Very nice actually. I like this.
It's so much better already. I don't feel the itch anymore. It's not so bengkak already. The bengkak subsided a lot. At least I don't feel itchy. I don't have the tendency to wanting to scratch it.